What is good, world? I am The Session. I hope you're having a fantastic and marvelous day. The purpose of today's video is for me to teach you how to keep your NFTs protected at all times. You know I'm here for that. I'm always here with anything that has to do with money. And the way I plan on helping you is by using the Ledger Nano X. If you don't know what this is, you about to find out. This video is amazing and it's not sponsored in any sort of way. But Ledger, y'all can write me a little check if you want to. This video is not going to have that much talking. I'm going to do the unboxing, a lot of visuals, but I think y'all will like this. We were going to say no to scams, don't click any weird links, and keep everything on your hard wallet. All right, let's get it. You did. Okay, so we're going to go into the computer. You're going to open up your OpenSea. I'm making just a test right now to be able to transfer over to our OpenSea and see if this one goes over. Okay, so you refresh the page a couple times. You see I refreshed it a bunch. And now it is here. The tester NFT is right here. You see the imagery. It's dope. So what I'm going to do is go back. I'm going to, okay, now that we have the tester created, we're going to go over here to our MetaMask. Okay, I'm going to go over to my ledger. Okay, so I go over to my MetaMask. I click right here on the picture. I go to the ledger right here. Boom, and I'm going to copy. All you have to do is copy. I think it says it's not connected right now. My device is idle. And this is not the profile we're going to be trading and executing the purchase on. We're going to make sure we copy, which we did, but then we're going to make sure we go back to my main profile, which is Session. Boom, grab that. Go right here to the bottom left where it says transfer. Click transfer. Hit transfer again. Okay, so now I take the address. I'm going to take the address and I'm just going to paste it. Now it's just going to give you an option to let you know, hey, if you transfer to the wrong wallet, it won't go through. And I want you to know, this takes money. This costs money. As you see, the estimated gas is $0, but look at the gas fees, $14, $15 to execute this. So if you want to send this to your ledger, it's going to cost you about $14. And then it would show you the processing screen and it would show you that it went through. Guess what? I already transferred one, so I'm not going to do this right now, but I just wanted to walk you through the process. I'm not going to pay gas when I don't need to, especially for a fake NFT. Okay, so the first video was done. I showed you how to just set up the ledger step by step. It took a while. I showed you how I was able to pair it. Thought my computer was recording, but it wasn't. But it's okay. We got the first step out of the way. And that is how to connect the Ledger Nano to MetaMask and connect it to the computer or your device, okay? Go on OpenSea into your Ledger Nano wallet. I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. Shout out to Dev Money and a couple others that gave me some tutorials and some tips on how to do that. I'm using their methods. I sat through all these different videos and now I'm bringing it to you, okay? Without further ado, you did.